Chrome full screen not working. Windows 10, 11. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So to be able to fix this, there are two main ways. So the most basic one or the easiest one is to simply hover on the top bar of our browser here and click on double click, which will force our Chrome over here to enlarge it. Aside from that, what we could also do is we could open over here on our taskbar, click and hold your shift key on your keyboard and right click on your Google Chrome. As you can see here, there will be options for you to choose from. Simply click on maximize, which will force our Google Chrome to maximize or go full screen. You could also notice that if you do it normally, it won't really appear or do what we saw earlier. So ensure that you click and hold the shift key to make that option appear. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.